What's up, everybody? Hey there, I'm Sarai. Listen, I hope you can. Okay. I ain't gonna tell y'all. Because it's a hole in one of these. It's a hole in my shirt somewhere. But anyway, you wouldn't have known if I didn't say nothing. I tell off on myself all the time. But anyway, this is what's up, y'all. So I'm just going live and talk about I've been doing this this campaign, this social media campaign, where I posted Sunday, I posted Monday, today Tuesday, and so today what I want to talk about is just real shortly is relatability, and why I teach DIY NailCare. If you're online, put something in the comments so I see you, because I don't know who you is unless you say something or whatever. I just see that there's one person watching me. Hello, how you doing? So yeah, put something in the comments so I see you. But anyway, so I'm teaching, I'm not teaching, but I'm just sharing, talking about relatability and why, I teach DIY NailCare, and we know, right? I tell you, DIY stands for what? Do it yourself, right? So, am I encouraging you to just go out and buy a bunch of nail stuff and just do anything to your nails? No. DIY NailCare, what I'm simply saying is take care of your nails. Regardless if you go get them done or you do them yourself. Both ways, you have to take care of your own nails. And the thing that I want to make the point and emphasize is your nails don't have to be fancy for them to be done. I feel like it's a perceived value, and it's like this internal pressure to have to have your nails a certain way. They gotta be long, and they gotta be shaped nice, and they gotta have the latest design in order for them to be done. But what I like to tell people all the time is, if you wash your hands, if you just clean up underneath your nails, if you clip them down so they're not too long and they're not getting in the way, your nails are done. I don't want anybody, because just as well as there's a lot of people who get their nails done all fancy and stuff, and they get the long nail, short nail, coffin nail, stiletto nail, oval nails. They get all of this stuff, and it's so perfect, Instagram perfect, right? And so polished and no flaw at all. But it's really intimidating for an average woman, an average plain Jane. When somebody say, hey, why you don't do your nails? And they look at the nails, well, I'm not into that. But it's almost more than none that they feel they shy away from it, because if somebody notices the nails, they're like, oh yeah, I just don't get them done. It's a shameful thing or whatever. But I'm here to be an advocate for the plain Jane people. And I don't even want to call you plain Jane. You just normal. You normal. I'm normal. I don't like all those things done. And real talk, for those women who go and get the fancy stuff or whatever, how often are they going to go get fancy stuff? Unless they are not working every day on a job where they use their hands a lot. It must be real nice if you got a job where you just, where you just have to look pretty in your job and you get paid just off your face card. You know what I'm saying? But even in that, you got to work, because your face card can only take you so far. For real. So which brings me to, if y'all see my logo that I always have, the pink heart with nail ministry on the inside, and then on the side it has two scriptures, Romans 10:15, Proverbs 10:4. 31 Status Nails and Beauty is up the top, because 31 Status Nails and Beauty is my business. Nail ministry is my brand. Now go back and watch that reel that I posted Sunday, I think, the one where I was saying that nail ministry doesn't mean that I'm preaching at you and I'm finna tell people don't get their nails done. No, I'm saying No, that's not what I'm doing. I'm not discouraging people to go get their nails done, and I'm not trying to encourage people who are used to going to the nail salon and letting professionals do it to all of a sudden stop and go do your own nails. Like, go get the ingredients and all that stuff and do stuff that you don't have no idea about. That's not what I'm saying. All I'm just simply encouraging is for people to take care of their nails, because regardless if you go to a salon or go to your favorite nail tech, it is still your responsibility in between your services to take care of your nails, because your nail tech is not on your hip. I'm sorry, I don't think they are. Even if you got the money where you can call your nail tech every day, then you don't have the time. And if you do, are you working? I'm just saying, are you working? So, so let me just wrap it up. Like, I'm speaking to women who feel behind, who feel ashamed or overwhelmed, you know what I'm saying, when it comes to your nails or whatever. They feel like, you know what I'm saying, oh, because my nails ain't done, then like, I don't need to be showing my nails are done like that, you know what I'm saying? Like, your nails purpose, and that's another thing that I teach, DIY nail care, and what nail ministry, my brand, is teaching and giving you insight on, is that to change the perception, the perceived value of having your nails done for outward adornment, just for, oh, I feel better when I have my nails done, to build your confidence, to build your morale. You're not looking right unless your nails is done. You can't do nothing unless your nails is done. Like, that is not the purpose of nails. Like, I don't believe, correct me if I'm wrong, but I don't believe that God in the beginning, when he created us from in the perfection that he did, from head to tail, from head to feet, DNA strand by DNA strand. I don't think he said I'm gonna make these nails, I'm gonna make them have nails so that they can put pretty polish on them. That is not the purpose. I mean, just look at your nails. Just, everybody just raise your hands up and just look at your nails. Like, and now imagine if we didn't have these nails now, how awkward would that be? Right? It would look disgusting. You'd be bleeding. Your nail bed would be exposed, blood vessels. You're gonna be sick all the time, because just think the original purpose of it. So if you keep your nails dirty, if you keep your nails ungroomed, if you keep them unclipped, because you think men, that is, I don't want to say that word. I don't think I can say that word, because you think it's not masculine to keep your nails clean and keep them done. You know what I'm saying? And so you just neglect them or whatever. But if your nails fall off, if your nails happen to fall off, then what you gonna say then? Then you gonna blame the doctors, and then you gonna blame, oh well, I lived my life and I worked hard and everything like that, and that's just basic wear and tear or whatever. But in Proverbs 10:4, that's one of the scriptures on my logo, Proverbs 10:4, diligent hand make rich, slack hands it brings poverty. So the Bible, and there's plenty of other scriptures that relate to that and tells us about our hands, that like we got to take care of the things that we use to make provision in our lives and for our family and our loved ones' lives. All right. So the real need for us to take care of our nails and keep them healthy. You can have fancy nails if you want to, but the priority of them is to take care of them and to have them functional and be diligent. Diligent means the care of, taking care of something, being cautious, being mindful of how you work with your hands. Like, you can work with your hands, but like, take care of these hands and take care of your feet too, because we rely on them. So be consistent and diligent with hand and nail care, keep them clean. And keeping them clean keeps them healthy. Keep them moisturized. Cause I don't know about y'all, but I seen some women who they keep their nails done and it's all nice and fancy and everything, but their knuckles is looking like what? So well, that's all I got. So don't feel bad about, like, if you're a person who likes the basic things. Like, the basic things is necessity. It's necessary, right? Like, you can't skip past the basic and the plain, taking care of your nails and go right to the enhancements and go right to all of the fancy stuff, because that ain't gonna last. You put fancy stuff on top of slack hands and dirty nails, your natural nail and the pretty stuff gonna fall right on off. Okay, so I hope that was relatable. If it was relatable to you, or you could think of some people that this would be helpful for, hey, just share it and leave a comment under here, and and let me know your thoughts and everything. Anything I missed or whatever. Like, I couldn't cover it all. I'm trying to, yeah. But anyway, talk to y'all later. Bye.